Okay, we have a quick opportunity I want to just quickly mention to us. Right now it's 2 minutes after 3 GMT plus 1. This time is 1 hour ahead, so it's showing 4, but it's 2 minutes after 3 GMT plus 1. So this is hourly chart of pound USD. So I just want to show you an example of what clusters mean, like supports of clusters or resistance of clusters. Now I'm already on the 1 hour chart. I already have some lines plotted, but let me just delete this one and focus on, let's say, the ones that I really want to show you about. So this place here, this is where the opportunity is. So now if I go to, first of all, 1 hour chart, there's a sell and there's a buy here. This movement down didn't actually get to the low of this turning point. You see this sell and this buy. You can see the wick spiked down, but it didn't get to the actual low. So this is still a valid turning point because it didn't breach it. So if I go to 30 minutes chart, you can see that on 30 minutes we have a sell and a buy here. This is another turning point just above the one above. Do you know what? In fact, let me just reconstruct this for you from the scratch so that you can appreciate it better. Yeah, I think we have a little time to do that. So let me go to chart. Let me go to 1 hour. Let me zoom out very so I'm on 1 hour, so you can see it better now. You can see that that move down didn't actually get there. So first to is a line. Since it's a 1 hour turning point, I use a blue line, right? So that's the first turning point, the first support, right? I said I want to show you clusters of support. This is the first one. Then I go to 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes, you can see there's another turning point just below the 1 hour. So I put a line there too. So this is like a cluster of support already. But if I go to 15 minutes, you'll see more. So in 15 minutes, you can see that I have more of that. So I can put one support here. We have this sell, we have this buy, so I can put a line there. For 15 minutes, I usually use the orange red line. So that's this one. So I set that for that. That's for this place. So there's a support here. There's also another one here. So we have cluster of supports. Support here, support here. So they can't tell me that the market will come down into this zone and you won't see a reaction at the microscopic level. Now, do you know something even more interesting? This alert that you see here is even the most interesting, because if I go to 1 hour time frame and I go to the start of the day, okay, let me on stock that so that it can give me what I want. Okay, the start of the day, let me go to properties so that I can show period separators. Okay, so this is the start of this candlestick here. So now for beginning of the day, I use yellow line. You can see that this line here is so close to this turning point. That was where this alert came from. So if I take a line again, turn it to yellow color, I can put that yellow line right here. And you can see that the line is right there. So if I go to 15 minutes now, we can see all of them closely. So you can see the open price of the yellow line, the 1 hour support line, the 30 minutes support line, the 15 minutes support line, the other. So this is like a cluster of support. This is what I mean when I say cluster. So you can also have this like a resistance. Now it's a support right now. These are supports because they are turning points that are currently below where the market price is or the exchange rate is. The exchange rate of pound USD right now is right here. You can see it changing in real time. You get, so if it was above, if there were all these things were turning points above, let's say like this one, this one, this one, the price was lower, those would be resistances. I hope you got something from this video. Please, if you did, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.